This is PC Mentor. Now I going to solve the Phoenix operating system Wi-Fi problem. Phoenix OS is not much stable, it has some major issues, like Wi-Fi problem, mic problem, updates, installing new apps, ping problem, game lagging, graphics and etc. Like Windows, there is no troubleshooting option in Phoenix OS, so that it may solve. Download the init.sh file from the given link. Now switch to Phoenix OS and you need S File Explorer. Copy the init.sh file to the etc. folder and make sure to delete or replace with the earlier file. Copy the init.sh file to the etc. folder and make sure to delete or replace with the earlier file. Now reboot Phoenix and then the Wi-Fi connectivity problem is solved.